It's almost New Year, and for many of us, it's about time to upgrade your home office setup with a new gadget or two. To which I say, deserve mo yan for a job well done for this year. For the last couple of years, we've seen the rise of smart devices, from smartphone to smart TV to smart gadgets. But have you heard of smart printers? In case hindi mo pa narinig, yes, smart printers is a thing. And today, pag-usapan natin ng HP Smart Tank 580. And the reason why this printer has the potential to be your next smart device at home. Well, simply to level up your computer setups. Let me tell you after this quick intro. What makes the HP Smart Tank 580 smart? Well, let me tell you. Firstly, the Smart Tank has several smart maintenance features, which simply means hindi siya high maintenance. It's because HP think ahead and has its users covered with features like an easy replaceable na print head and a inkpad na hindi mo kailangan palitan. Yes, unlike most printers na kailangan mo palitan ka ng inkpad once every now and then, you don't even have to worry about replacing the inkpad with the HP Smart Tank 580. And kung gumagamit ka ng mga printers and if you're maintaining one, alam mo yung sakit ng ulo every time you need to replace ang inkpad. Magkakalat ka ng ink sa kamay, ang hirap palitan, and malagkit plus maputik once na nahawakan mo siya. Ew. So ano nga ba trabaho na itong inkpad na ito? Think of it as a diaper. Sinasalo na yung mga excess na ink every time na nagpapalit ka ng cartridges, nagpapalit ka ng inkhead, or just simply doing your regular printing task. May mga excess na ink na tinatawag nila. And if you don't replace them regularly, magdi-deteriorate ang iyong print quality, making it smudgy, looks really bad, parang bumili ka na naman ng panibagong printer all at once. But since the HP Smart Tank 580 doesn't require any inkpad replacement, it simply means two things: less gastos, less downtime. And in case you run into any trouble that you cannot troubleshoot, remember that this HP Smart Tank 580 has 2 years of home service warranty. And the HP Service Center is just one call away for home services, so you can continue to work smarter, not harder. Hindi mo na kailangan dalhin sa service center para paayos, sila ang lalapit sa iyo. Ayos, di ba? Next, pag-usapan natin ang smart savings. Buying smart device doesn't have to bleed your wallet dry. With the HP Smart Tank 580, pwedeng-pwede mo masulit ang iyong pera dahil this one can print up to 6,000 black pages or 6,000 na colored pages yield with a cost-efficient, spill-free na ink refill system. So, hindi ka mahinayang mag-print dahil hindi basta-basta maubos ang iyong ink cartridges kasi hindi mo na siya iisipin na maubos siya agad. In this present economy, smart spending isn't just getting something for less. But just make sure na yung ginagastusan mo lasts you for a long time. Hindi siya basta-basta magbibigay siya ng added burden na added expenses. Or kailangan mo pa bumili ng mga extra accessories just to add some features. Thankfully, si HP Smart Tank 580, hindi siya magastos. Finally, we have this smart quality. You don't have to sacrifice quality just because you're on a budget. With the HP Smart Tank 580, expect mo you'll be able to print high-quality pages every time with its black ink and its colored ink. Yung tipong quality na makukuha mo pag napaprint ka sa mga print shop. Even better, you can even print on this printer kahit wala ka sa bahay. You're away from this printer, from your laptop, kayang-kaya niyang gawin dito sa smart printer na ito. And the only way to do it, gamitin mo ang HP Smart App na pwede mo i-download sa Google Play Store and sa Apple App Store. And that's it. I believe that itong mga quality na sinabi ko sa inyo from the HP Smart Tank 580 makes it a worthy upgrade para sa inyong mga computer setup at home. Whether you're a student or a working professional. What do you think? So ikaw pwede ka rin gumawa ng smart choice by visiting their Shopee and Lazada online store or visit any HP authorized retailers nationwide para i-check out itong HP Smart Tank 580. So kung marami kayo natutunan dito sa video na ito, don't forget to share it to your friends, and a quick sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next video.